Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. First off, a couple points of clarification. Number one, I am trading futures. If you don't know what futures are, I will put a link down below to a totally free class, 4-part series of what futures trading is. Here's a couple little things to try to pique your interest. There is no pattern day trading rule, and they're basically open 6 days a week, 24 hours a day. So there's a lot of flexibility within a schedule. And then second, I'm trading futures through a prop firm. If you don't know what prop firm trading is, or if you're curious which one I'm using, I'll put a link down below. Make sure you use that link so that you can take advantage of the current promotions that would be going on. So just use that link to get the best deal possible. But again, in a nutshell, basically a prop firm, you put very little of your own money on the line at risk. And then if you can prove yourself as a trader, you have a whole lot of upside potential. So that's kind of just a nutshell summary of things. So trading futures through a prop firm here. I will pause the screen recording software for now. And if I see something, I will get the software rolling. Looking to go long here at that green line on the NQ here. So we'll see if it wants to. I'm going to move that down to that level right there. So we'll see if it wants to drop. I will pause. Getting close. Oh, don't like how that just stopped right there all of a sudden. I'm going to go down to that level right there. All right, I'll pause. All right, I'm looking for a quick sniper shot down at that green line there. The number you're going to want to watch if I get filled are these numbers over here. That'll start to show the profit and loss fluctuating around if I get filled. Again, this is live happening right now as I speak, so I don't even know if I will get filled. It's looking like I have a good chance right now. Oh, and then it bounced. Nope, I got to cancel it now. Now if it were to come back down, that would have me worried that it's about to make a further move. So this is a good example here of why I was right to buy the pullback, right? Because I mean, it pulled back and it wanted to go up, and it did go up. But did I make any money? I didn't. So just because you're right from a broad sense doesn't mean you're actually going to make money on it. Sometimes you'll be right and you could even lose money on it. So that's why trading is a little bit more difficult than looking at a situation saying, oh, I think that's going to happen. And if the quote unquote thing happens, that doesn't mean you made money, because there's those finer tuned details. Okay, well, yeah, that's fine. You think it's going to go down and go back up, but where exactly is it going to stop going down and going back up? Because if you don't get that point right for your entry, well then, as you just saw here, there is no trade. So always a valuable lesson on why trading is indeed difficult. All right, I will pause. All right, nearing potential area here. And that's what I wanted, so... What is that right there? 75. Once again, couldn't quite get where I wanted. Good news is it just takes one to make it worth, well, I'm not going to speak for what your time is worth, but to make it worth my time, all it takes is one. We'll try down here. All right, I'll pause. You can't make this stuff up. Look how close that move got. I turned my head for a second to look at my other monitor and looked back, and maybe it spiked down, but okay, I got to stop talking. And all right, let's try that area. Very, very tough fill this morning, but we'll keep at it. I'll pause. All right. Yeah, that's good. Yep, I like that. Trying to go short here if it wants to come down now. In. And out. So $250 on that one. Like I said, it just takes one. And, it's not even 10 o'clock yet. So not sure of many places in the world where you could put 250 bucks in your pocket. And it's 9:53, so 23 minutes. I don't say any of that to brag. I just say it to build perspective. I know it's easy to look at social media and see massive numbers, and then for someone to look at this result, right? Let's even do this. Let's say it was $25. Like, how long did that trade last? All of, I don't know, 5 seconds? Would you ever go up to somebody making 20 bucks an hour and be like, I made 25 bucks in 5 seconds. I'm not very happy about it. You would, of course, never do that. So all about perspective. And you know, making sure that you don't get sucked away from reality via social media. And I'm the same way. That's why I'm not a huge fan of looking at other people's social media, because I'll be honest, it can be like, wow, Clay, you're not that good. Like, you only made $250 in 5 seconds. Geez, what, you know, that's pretty pathetic. And it's like, wait a second, what's going on with my perspective here? All right, maybe I'll do another one of those trades again. Look for it to come up and then come back down, but it's going to now need to get up through where that crosshair is. We'll see what happens. I'll pause. All right, maybe another trade here come in. First, got to get up through that crosshair. Yeah, it did, but barely. Not enough for me to really take any action with it. See if it wants to go up, give another try. Needs to come up a little bit more. Well, I mean, it got rejected right at that crosshair. So the general idea was right, but again, general ideas aren't good enough. All right, never mind. Okay, maybe another opportunity here. So it's got to first get up through that crosshair and a bit more. So got to get up through there. There we go. Yep, that's good. I'll take that if it wants to come back down now. Oh, that's looking like a... Okay, never mind. That was actually a truly strong break. And that's why I do like those order types. Because had I just tried to, you know, anticipate it, I would have gotten rolled right over. So, okay, never mind on that one. Okay, I have an order in and out. Wow, that one happened super fast, but you'll have to scroll back and you'll see that that was fluctuating for just a moment, and then 495 showed up right there. So that was a very, very fast trade. But like I said, when you just wait, when you're patient, so I know a lot of this was, all right, never mind. Okay, never mind. Close, not good enough. I get it. That can be annoying and that can grate on your nerves. I understand as a viewer, but the reason I show that stuff as a viewer is just because this is real life trading. This is how it goes sometimes. It's not always going to be a highlight reel where you enter in an order, you get filled, and it goes in your favor and you're just fine. No. A lot of trading is waiting, canceling orders, adjusting orders, being close but not getting filled, and then needing to cancel. So what you saw here, this is just a very realistic look. So I completely understand. You know, there's always, not always, but you'd have the comment, this is so boring. Just show the trades. I'll just, splice up the, do a highlight reel. And it's like, well, highlight reels, I get it, are more time efficient and but they're not a reality of trading. It's trading is not a highlight reel where everything goes just fine. You're going to have these sorts of moments. So maybe I'll try to capture one more trade here. But overall, yeah, a couple of trades, still not even an hour into the day, $495. So certainly nothing to sneeze at. But maybe I can get one more. I'll keep a close eye on it. Okay. Needs to go up a little bit more. Yep, that's good. I like that. And out there, now at $745. So that was a good, I wish they all went that smooth. It was there, boom, out for $745. It is 10:20, so 40 minutes, $745. I will take that. I'm going to move on with the day. And this is just the power of, futures, power of prop firms, which again, I am trading in a prop firm. And I want to just reiterate, go down in the link below, learn about what prop firms are, or if you're just curious which one I'm using, and make sure you use that link so that you can take advantage of the current deal and whatever that current promotion may be. But they are a fantastic tool. Again, you're putting very little of your money on the line with a lot of upside potential, assuming, of course, you can prove that you know how to trade and manage risk and all that stuff. So like I said, that's all I have as far as these videos. If you enjoy these, if you enjoy just kind of the nitty gritty raw look into it all, I know it's not the most exciting. I know it can get annoying from a viewer perspective, but yeah, that's just how trading is. That's just, it is what it is. And I think there's a lot more value in doing it this way. So when you show up and you're experiencing not a highlight reel within your trading, you're not going to be like, what am I doing wrong? This other person I watched, it's like every trade they put in, it gets filled and all this. But hopefully you're not saying, oh, I remember that one goofy sounding guy. Yeah, I remember seeing that. So yeah, this just comes with the territory. So just remember, nothing's going to be smooth. But yeah, when the trades come, if you're patient enough, then yeah, things can add up very, very nicely. So if you enjoy these videos, and if you want to just support the channel in a super easy, free way, if you could just subscribe, that would be fantastic. Hitting that subscribe button really does go a long way. And if you want to drop a like, that would be fantastic. So definitely consider learning futures. Once again, totally free class. Put it down in the comment section, or excuse me, in the description section, in terms of where you can find that class. And also make sure you look into prop firms and at least consider them. So thanks for watching, everybody. Take care. Have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.